have a look at HTTPS web page and compare it to HTTP web page. See how the requests look like and how it looks like in Wireshark. First of all, in my Wireshark, I'll put in the TLS protocol as a display filter, and I'll add my internal IP address here, network, so that I don't get any noise from that. I start Wireshark and I go to the browser and try to visit a web page. Don't mind the first part, it was some background traffic running there. So I'll try to visit, for instance, osp.org, and you can see on Wireshark something is happening there. So yep. No. The most interesting one for us is the one containing information on the certificate. So we can see the certificate here, who is the issuer, who it was signed by, and so on. So we can see all the information we want on the certificate here. And from there on, we can see there is a server key exchange and then a client key exchange. We can actually see the certificate's public key as well here. The signed certificate and the public key should be here. So that's the public key here. But besides that, all the traffic after that, we can see it says application data, and then it's just TLS. And if we try to have a look at it, well, it just says encrypted data, and we cannot really get more information out of that. So whenever it says application data in TLS, that's actually the content of the HTTP. So it says also here HTTP over TLS. So so it means that that's actually the HTTP content which is encrypted and sent over TLS protocol. So it means we cannot really read what happens if we eavesdrop on the traffic between the client and OSP.org because it is encrypted using TLS. So that's the idea. Because there was this key exchange, it means that there was a key sent back and forth, and we know that they are using SSL for that. So let's try to dig into a little bit more now. How can we actually try to decrypt some of the traffic? It will not work for OS because they are using a protocol that will not allow it, but it might work for some older web pages, or if you want to decrypt the traffic on your own network, you should be able to do that as well. So let's dig into that and see how we can do that BS web page and compare it to HTTP web page.